In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a memo to yourself in PayPal. This is a simple feature, but it can be really useful if you want to keep personal notes attached to an invoice for your own reference. For example, you might use it to remind yourself of what the invoice is for, track follow-up details, or add an internal note that helps you stay organized later. The good thing is that this memo is meant for you, so it can make invoice management much easier. To get started, open PayPal and go to the invoicing section. Once you're there, click on Create Invoice. This step helps bring you into the invoice area where you can access and manage your invoice records more easily. After that, click back to Invoices. This takes you to the main invoice list, where you can see the invoices that are already in your account. If you have several invoices, take a moment to make sure you're selecting the correct one before moving on. Next, click on the invoice number for the invoice you want to update. Opening the invoice details page is important because that's where the memo option is located. Once you're inside the invoice, you'll be able to view more settings and information connected to that specific record. Now look for Memo to Self and click on it. This is the field where you can add a private internal note. Since this area is intended for your personal reference, it's a good place to leave short, clear information that you may want to revisit later. Once the memo field opens, add your note. Try to keep it concise but meaningful. For instance, you might write a brief reminder about the purpose of the invoice or a note that helps you identify it quickly in the future. It's usually best to keep these notes organized and easy to scan, especially if you handle multiple invoices. When you're done typing your note, click Add. That saves the memo to the invoice so you can refer back to it whenever needed. And that's it. You've successfully added a memo to yourself in PayPal. It only takes a moment, but it can be very helpful for staying organized and keeping important internal details attached to the right invoice. If you use PayPal invoices regularly, small habits like this can save time and reduce confusion later on.